Hi everyone, I'm Ellen and welcome to Coffee Talk. Alright, so it's been a while. How are you guys? How's everyone doing? I hope you all are keeping that fighting spirit intact despite these very difficult times that we have, I believe. So with me, I think every day is an opportunity to be grateful for the life that we have, for the important people that we have in our lives, like our family, our friends, our loved ones, our work colleagues, all these people that, cares for us. Yun, pasalamatan na lang natin that we still have them, di ba? And of course, it's also an opportunity to be thankful of the work that we have kasi isa sa mga nag-idulot nitong pandemic na ito is, job loss. So, maraming nawalan ng trabaho. So, speaking of work, this vlog is actually all about our work here at the cafe. Kasi, I've been receiving questions, a lot of questions. Yung iba hindi ko na-address. So, I would gradually answer all of those questions through this vlog. So first, marami kasing curious, what is that best-selling item here at the bar, at the cafe bar? So we have this per category. For hot category, our best sellers are white velvet latte and caramel macchiato. And then for our ice blended, we have top 3. Mabenta yung matcha ice blended, Java chip, and Java jelly. Those are our certified bestsellers sa ice blended. At yung tinatawag nilang frap. Alright, sa aming third wave bar, of course, number 1 pa rin, yung matutong beans and apple beans come next to it. Alright? And for our over-iced drinks, it's always been, it's actually an all-time favorite here. It's our over-iced caramel macchiato. Ayan. So, that's number 1. So, our number 2 best seller for over-ice is what? Matcha, right? Okay. So, right now, I'm gonna be bringing you guys to our bar. We are gonna be doing something interesting, alright? So, tara, let's go! Alright, welcome to the Brew Project PH Bar, and right now, we are gonna be doing or making that over-ice caramel macchiato. It's actually the all-time favorite here. So, ano yung mga gagamitin? First, our espresso machine, and then our caramel sauce, fresh milk, of course, ice, the glass. We'll be needing a jigger, our stirrer, and ice scooper. Good to go! So first things first, we need to pull that perfect shot of espresso. Okay, so we're very particular with it because actually, humility aside, me and my partner Ogie enrolled at the Barista and Coffee Academy of Asia before we opened the cafe, and we got ourselves certified as baristas when we studied Barista 101. And after that, we ourselves, we trained our baristas, and we strictly follow the procedures taught to us, which we believe are based on the standards of that of the World Championship Barista. So, ganun kataas yung standards. So, medyo strict kami. We take coffee making here seriously. And, of course, our first ever champion here in Coronadal, during that first ever barista competition, is actually our head barista, Alvin. So, after he won as the champion, we enrolled him at the Barista 101 of PCAA in Davao. So, he's also a certified barista, and he's now the one training our barista team. Okay, so it's been a while since I did it, so I hope I can make it. Let's try. First things first, of course, unlock our portafilter and flush it. We do this to get rid of the stuck coffee grounds that got stuck in this group head prior in this bowl, and then we make sure that our portafilter is clean and dry. And let's proceed to our dosing. Dosing part is we do the grinding. We make sure that we only use freshly ground coffee in every coffee that you order from us. So I just did the distribution part, and then of course, let's clean the ears. And then let's stamp. Oh, sorry. Then insert it right away. Alright. Parang nawala yung background music. Okay, so let's do this. So, let's pour our espresso shot. Then, we need to put our, of course, caramel sauce against the camera. Okay. Then our milk. We're using our calibrated jigger to make it easier and for consistency, of course. And the last one. Okay, there you go. Okay, next, what we do next is we make sure that everything's mixed thoroughly by stirring. Makikita mo naman eh pag ano na mix na lahat. Next, of course, our ice. Okay. Then we make sure it's clean. Okay. There you go. Everyone, our over-iced caramel macchiato. Coffee cheers! Ayan, so before I go, let me just inform everyone. So, watch out for the next set of treats and discounts coming up, okay? And for our last few words, of course, this COVID pandemic is still bothering us every now and then, giving us this on and off anxiety, shall I say. I think it's very important that we keep our focus on the best thing that we can do for the moment. Okay? So that mas mabilis makapaghanap ng solusyon kapag nakapag-focus tayo kung ano yung nasa moment na problem natin. And then just of course keep the positivity intact. And yun, yung urge natin na tulungan yung nasa paligid natin. Because everyone's struggling, I think. Okay, and of course, most importantly, we keep our faith intact and keep on praying. Let's be prayer warrior, guys. And of course, lagi nating alalahanin, let's always bear in mind what our health experts keep telling us. So, One, always wear a mask every time you go out. Two, maintain social distancing. And of course, we have to regularly wash our hands. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yun. Don't forget to hit that like button on my page, Coffee Talk with Ellen. Ayan. So, I hope to come up with more exciting, interesting videos in the future. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.